Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how you can make delicious Mexican hot chocolate bombs. If you guys love Mexican hot cocoa, you are going to love these bombs. So, without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, for our Mexican hot chocolate bombs, I am going to be using these red candy melts, and I did go ahead and melt these down. I just wanted to share with you guys the kind that I was using. Like I said, I melted these in the microwave already, and you can still see a little bit of the chocolate clumps in there, but that's okay. Once you start to kind of smooth this out into your silicone mold, they'll just kind of go along with it and just kind of smooth on out. And of course, for our hot chocolate, because we are making Mexican hot chocolate, I am going to be using this here. Now, they do have it in a disc form as well. And this one right here, all you need to do is take a knife to it and just shave it down and add that to your hot liquid, and it'll just kind of melt along the way. But again, we are using the powder. And of course, I am using these 6.5-inch cinnamon sticks here. I did get these on Amazon. They are some really long cinnamon sticks. So for the top of our hot chocolate bomb, because I know you guys saw my profile picture and I have the cinnamon sticks sticking out of the hot chocolate bombs, and how I achieved that was I put one of the cinnamon sticks into the bottom of my mold, and I went around the stick with the chocolate. And that's how I got the hole in the top of the hot chocolate bomb, if that makes sense. So you just want to do the same thing once you go on with each layer. Remember, from the other ones, we're going to put on a total of 3 layers. So this is the first. We're going to go ahead and get this into the freezer. You can still see the holes there. So like I said, as I go on with each layer, we are just going to, you're going to continue to just go around that hole. You don't want to seal it, because then how are you going to get in your cinnamon sticks? So now we're just working on the bottom part of the chocolate bombs, and you don't need to do anything. Just go ahead and do it as you would the regular hot chocolate bombs and just smooth it on out. And again, we're going to do 3 layers of chocolate in this as well. So here, after I got this in here, I just wanted to show you guys of how they turned out, and they are really solid. My daughter said they look like giant clown noses, especially when we pieced it together. But yeah, you guys can see they turned out really cute. So just go ahead and sit those to the side, and we're going to start to stuff them. So like I said, I am using the Mexican powdered hot chocolate because I felt it would be easier to do as far as with, you know, making the hot chocolate bombs, as opposed to using the shavings. Now you can use the shavings as well, and you guys see that's the top part there with the hole in it. But like I said, you can use the shavings as well. Just go ahead and take a knife to it, but I just felt using the powder would be a lot quicker. So I do have my heated plate here, and we're just going to smooth out those edges of the top of the bomb. And this is the bottom, and we're going to fill it, and then we're going to go on with the top, you know, the part that has the hole in it. So like I said, we're going in with our hot cocoa, and then of course we're going to add in some marshmallows. And just do the same thing to your top. Just smooth it out on your hot plate, or whatever you use to kind of smooth it out. I saw where somebody was using a pot where they kind of turned it upside down, but whatever you can use, guys, to smooth out those edges, I would just say go for it. So we're going to get that top on there, and then we're going to sit this to the side after we smooth out the edges. And yeah, you're just going to do the same thing to all the other ones. And then we're going to get that back into the fridge to continue setting, because you don't want that chocolate to kind of come to room temperature. And yeah, you probably have to start all over. So I'm just going to show you guys another one of how I do it. I'm just going to smooth out my edges again, and then I'm going in with the the cocoa powder, the Mexican hot chocolate, and then we're going to go in with some marshmallows, and then we're going to do the same thing with the top. So for the cinnamon stick, you guys are going to see how I got it in here. I just kind of moved it around, adjusted it a little bit inside the hole just to make sure it kind of touched the bottom, and I went around the cocoa, you know, the powder and the marshmallows, and then I melted some of the chocolate melts and put it into a sandwich bag, and then I sealed the cinnamon stick in place, if that makes sense. Well, you guys see what I'm doing right here. I just went around the little hole there that was showing what was left of the the cinnamon stick didn't fill, and I just kind of filled it in, securing the cinnamon stick in place. Pretty much just like that right there. So you cannot see inside at all. So here they are. Here I did go on top. I drizzled on some yellow hot chocolate, and I got the inspiration from the color of the hot chocolate bag, of the Mexican hot chocolate bag, and I just thought they would be really cute to do it this way. And of course, you guys know I am going to do a demo for you guys just so that you can see of how this worked. And guys, they turned out so cute. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you how to make Mexican hot chocolate bombs. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye. I'll just let you guys watch this part right here. Stir it with a cinnamon stick and enjoy. See you guys in my next video. Bye.